Alright, this is a Tiki Bar built, I'd say 5+ years ago. Found some instructions for it. I made them for a cousin who never ended up using them. Thought I'd give you guys a rundown and I'd attach the instructions after. So it's basically, well, it's pretty simple. There's a bar out front here that's supported off just some triangle braces. That's plywood, a few layers thick. And then we got it wired up with a mini fridge, power bar under here, and it just goes into a constant use plug out here. But all of this under here is for LED lights. That's not really covered in instructions, but if you want to add them, it's pretty cool. This guy just does a switch for the light on the sign up there. And then we've got some bamboo, I guess faux bamboo paneling, I guess you could call it, around the bar. On the back side here, if you want to sit by the hot tub. This is a bottle rack. It'll hold 60s, no problem. What would that be? 3.5, so it's 4.5 inches wide on the inside. And then the LED lights we got, it's just an RGB controller. Ooh. Guess that needs to be fixed. It's been here a long time. But basically it's an RGB controller. I will attach some photos in here with all the lights on at nighttime. But a couple power supplies, obviously not outdoor rated. It's been not used in quite a while. But we got them running down the inside of the bottle rack right here. Across the inside of the bar underneath there. Underneath the bar here. And I think, yep, some underneath here as well. Like I said, this is built quite a while ago. We only ever put one coat of stain on it, but it's held up pretty well. On top, we've just got some tin roofing that was left over from a different project. A little bit of bracing. The only thing I would change after the years, I'd put a bigger foot on the bottom of these posts because they've sunk in quite a bit. And this is just on like AstroTurf, but with a plywood base, or even if you just put a 2x6 across between the posts, it would help quite a bit. You can see this guy has twisted a little bit. And then just the little bracing on top. Now what the bamboo hides really well is all of the screws that are holding the tin on. I cut them all off with a grinder, so it dinged up the plywood a little bit. But with that bamboo on there, you can't tell at all, really. So it works out. I figured I would just give kind of a walk around to go with the instructions. They're just a PDF instructions I had made. Give you guys kind of a decent look at how it all goes together. Now this center support bracket underneath the back shelf there, not really necessary. I mean, it just keeps it straight because it's only 4 2x6s wide and they're only a little under 4 feet wide, so there's lots of space. The only thing I would change from the original design, you can see at the bottom there under the fridge is an extra piece of 2x6. I would have just made that whole deck wider. Most mini fridges won't fit in this space. Basically build it around what you have. Buy the mini fridge first if you're going to leave it out here. I'd take it in the winter. I mean, this is Saskatchewan. Things get pretty cold. If you're down south somewhere, I guess you probably don't need to. But yeah, fridge is on, couple drinks in there. This thing stays out here all year round. We just turn it off in the winter. It's a very old fridge, burns a lot of power. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions and I'll see if I can answer them.